are you? Let's see science first. Third chapter, that is chemical reactions and equations. Today we will see types of chemical reaction. Student, there are four main types of chemical reaction. First one, that is combination reaction. Second, decomposition reaction. Third, displacement reaction. And fourth, that is double displacement reaction. So first say combination reaction. When two or more reactant, reactant substance that take part in chemical reaction. So when two or more reactant combine in a reaction to form a single product is called a combination reaction. Say example, combination reaction when ammonia reacted with hydrogen chloride, that time ammonium chloride is formed. Ammonia, that is NH3, ammonia combined with hydrogen chloride means plus HCl. That time, see this hydrogen means NH4Cl, that is ammonium. NH3 is ammonia and NH4, that is ammonium, and Cl means chloride group. So it is ammonium chloride. So students say here reactant, that is ammonia and hydrogen chloride. Means here how many reactants are there? Two. And product is single. Therefore, this type of reaction is called a combination reaction. Second, magnesium burn in air to form white powder of magnesium oxide as a single product. So, see, this is first and second example. Magnesium, when combined with oxygen, means burn in air, that is O2, that time means when this magnesium is combined with oxygen, that time magnesium oxide is formed, MgO, magnesium oxide. Then the balancing, here see oxygen is, number of atom of oxygen is 2, but on product or in right side it is single. So for this oxygen, when you write here 2, that time this oxygen balance and magnesium increases. So we write here 2 for balancing. So this is also a combination of reaction where magnesium and oxygen are the reactant and magnesium oxide, that is a single product. Similarly, when copper Cu react with oxygen, that time again copper oxide is formed, means CuO, and say again oxygen is 2, so we write here 2, therefore we write here 2 for balancing. So this type of reaction is called a combination reaction. Then the second type, that is decomposition reaction. The chemical reaction in which two or more product, here two or more product are formed from a single reactant is called the decomposition reaction. Example, at high temperature, calcium carbonate decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So see second type, that is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reactions. Here calcium carbonate CaCO3, calcium carbonate when heated. So this triangle indicate when calcium carbonate heated. That time this decomposes and its which are the product calcium oxide CaO, that is calcium oxide, and carbon dioxide plus carbon dioxide. So students see here the reactant is a single, but the product is two or more. Here it is two, but if in the chemical reaction which two or more products are formed from a single reactant is called a decomposition reaction. So say balancing calcium, calcium single single, carbon again see here carbon, and then oxygen is 3, number of atom of oxygen is 3 on left hand side means in reactant, and here 2 and 1 3, so it is balanced. Second example, when an electric current is passed through isolated water means H2O, that time it is electrolyzed giving hydrogen and oxygen. See example, isolated water means H2O. When we give electric current, so we write here electric current. That time its two product is hydrogen and oxygen, and here both are gases, so we give arrow upward side. Then see balancing. Here this hydrogen is H means 2 2 balance, but this oxygen here it is 1, number of oxygen atom is 1 and here 2. So for this balancing we write here 2. Then see this hydrogen increases, number of hydrogen is 2 2s are 4, but here it is only 2, so we write here 2 for balancing. So here reactant, that is a single substance, and product, that is 2 or more, that time we say it is a decomposition reaction. Then see third, that is displacement reaction. Student, the reaction in which the place of the ion of less reactive element in a compound is taken by another more reactive element by formation of its own ions, then it is a displacement reaction. And say example, displacement reaction. So example is zinc plus copper sulfate. See, Zn means zinc and copper sulfate, you know, CuSO4, so plus copper sulfate. That time it displaces means zinc combined with sulfate to form zinc sulfate and copper is formed. So this is displacement reaction plus heat. So we write here heat. Similarly, ferrous and copper sulfate. See ferrous Fe plus copper sulfate. Again what happened? This ferrous is combined with sulfate. So ferrous sulfate, then copper and heat. So how can we write? FeSO4, that is ferrous sulfate, then copper plus heat. So this type of reaction is called displacement reaction. Students see fourth type, that is double displacement reaction. The reaction in which the ions of the reactants are exchanged to form a precipitate are called double displacement reaction. Example, solution of sodium chloride, NaCl, sodium chloride, and silver nitrate AgNO3, silver nitrate react with each other forming a precipitate of silver chloride and solution of sodium nitrate. So see its example how it is double displacement. So fourth type is double displacement reaction. So silver nitrate. So formula, that is Ag silver and NO3 nitrate group. So AgNO3 plus sodium chloride, NaCl, that is sodium chloride. So students see the product, this silver is combined with this chlorine, that time silver chloride means AgCl, silver chloride, and this sodium is combined with this nitrate group. So it is sodium nitrate, means NaNO3, sodium nitrate. Therefore, it is a double displacement. Then see one more example, that is barium sulfide. Barium sulfide, BAS, barium sulfide combined with zinc sulfate, ZnSO4, zinc sulfate. That times this barium is reacted with this sulfate. So barium sulfate is formed, means BaSO4, and this zinc is combined with this sulfur in sulfide. So zinc sulfide is formed. So in short, we say if AB and CD are two reactants, that time see this A is combined with D. So here first we write AD plus this C is combined with this B. So here CB. This is the general form of double displacement reaction.